So hi guys, welcome in this today's video. Today I'm going to get you some information about what is WazirX Rapid Listing Initiative, which WazirX started in India. WazirX is an Indian crypto exchange platform where you can exchange your INR money with crypto exchange, and you can buy Bitcoin there as well as many other cryptocurrencies such like Dogecoin. Rising demand of cryptocurrency in India has get those platforms a hefty task of adding those coins into their platform. For example, WazirX is a new startup which is currently adding many coins to their website, to their app. But adding a coin, adding a cryptocurrency in app takes too much of time. So I'm going to explain you what WazirX Rapid Listing Initiative is. Let's start. I'm going to give you an example just how this rapid listing initiative works. So for example, if you buy a product on Amazon, there is a listing of product. So for listing that product, Amazon takes some time. For example, you have to first of all click the photo of the item. You have to edit those photos. You have to add title. You have to add description, and then you have to arrange the inventory. Then you have to promote that item so that that item is live for sale on Amazon platform Amazon. So that's how these platforms add coin to their platform. There are some steps involved. There are mainly 11 steps involved, which is mentioned on the blog of WazirX, which they told mainly as step one is integrating the blockchain with their app. Second is deposit module. Third is withdrawal module. And there are like 11 steps. So those two module takes the most of the time while listing the coin. First is the deposit module. Second is the withdrawal module. WazirX figure out a way of listing that coin rapidly. For example, Dogecoin gained popularity in last few months only, but listing that coin within few months is not possible for WazirX. That's why WazirX listed that in their rapid listing initiative without enabling the withdrawal and deposit of Dogecoin, which means you cannot transfer or get Dogecoins from other WazirX wallet. For example, your friend uses WazirX and you also uses WazirX, but you cannot transfer Dogecoin into your friend's account. But you can still buy and sell Dogecoin with your INR balance. It's as simple as that. You can also trade in Dogecoin on WazirX, but the main thing is that you cannot transfer or withdraw money from another WazirX wallet. That's the main thing, the main problem which Rapid Listing Initiative got. And they are the WazirX team, CEO of WazirX, saying that this will be figured out very soon, and they will enable the withdrawal and deposit of coin very soon. So don't think that they are not going to implement it, but it will take some time. They will contact their backend team, their technical team, which will later on add this feature.